We've literally just tore the truck apart, basically. So we have taken the floorboards out, taken the seats out, taken this out, the console. We've taken the handlebar things out. And what else have we done?
Took all the trim out. Now, only thing we lack is mirror mounts and then these. All the headliner fasteners. And we should be ready to pull it out.
And I've been such a great help, and I've really been the head of this project. And it's only taken us an hour and 36 minutes to do this.